I wanted to do a little video here on something that I really like. This is about how you make a power strip that doesn't have a light on it. As you can see, this one doesn't have a light to tell you whether it's on or off. And what I figured out is that you could buy one of these, just like a circuit checker, and use it as a light bulb for your power strip. So as you can see, power strip's on, power strip's off. I thought I'd mention that to you guys. I really like it. Just works really good. So hope you liked the video. Take care. Click like on the video and subscribe if you could. All right, take care. Thanks. Bye. Okay, this is a little bonus footage. This is the circuit checker. So this is a commercial electric model. M as in Mary, S as in Sam, 112, H as in Henry. Little circuit checker. You can use any of them. I believe I got this in Home Depot. It was probably under $5. I think it was like $4.97 plus tax. I believe this is made by Intertech, and it's just for checking power outlets in your house, to see if they're wired right, or to see if you have power. Really handy thing to have around. That's why I kind of like it in the power strip idea, because you always have a little circuit checker. If you think you got an outlet that's not working, you always have one handy too. That's kind of cool. These can be got on the internet. They can be got at Home Depot. You would just Google search 115 volt circuit checker. I think something like that. It can be found in the electrical section at Home Depot, where they sell the your voltmeters, and it's in the section, with voltmeters and hand tool and screwdrivers and electrical pliers and crimpers and electrical stuff. So the electrical aisle in Home Depot or Lowe's, for people in the United States. That's if you want to just go out and get one. Like I said, they're under $5 usually, and I haven't gone on the internet to see what they cost. They could quite variably be very, very cheap on the internet, but just whatever you want to do. So anyways, this little bonus footage just for people that from the beginning of the video, I just kind of made an assumption that people knew that this was a circuit checker and where you could get it, but just kind of getting into a little bit more detail for people that would like the detail. Okay, so click like on the video if you could, and subscribe. All right, take care. California, beautiful day today, man. Coming down from Newport Coast. I'm about a couple miles north of Laguna Beach.